Well, it's Monday. It's 7:45. I got out here about 7:30 or so. My primary objective was to get the ignition light working, and I fixed that problem. Over here in this wire bundle, there were two wires. Both of them were white with brown. Okay, one of them is white with brown. Or let me rephrase that. One of them was white with brown, and the other one was white with brown. I chose the wrong one. So it's this one, not this one. I think this is an unused wire. I'll double check, but everything's working, so we'll find out. Here's a white with something. Who knows? Remember, this is no longer a stock wiring harness. There are wires that are no longer used simply because of the electronic ignition we've installed and the solid state charging system we've installed. So I'm having to slightly change the wires in order to make the lights work. Now, right now, with the ignition on, neutral's working. And if I go over here and put a ground on this gray wire, which goes up to and connects with the white with brown wire, we should see a light over on the ignition light. And we do. Good. So that means when I put the assimilator in here, theoretically it should work, because this is the light, the wire that turns on the light. This is gray. It goes up into here and connects with the white with brown that I just showed you. Next objective, actually I think I'm going to go ahead and put this headlight back in place, because I really trust, let's say I don't have any reason to not trust the turn light and the high beam light. I can check those real quick and put the headlight back in place and mount the turn signals. Then I'm going to hook up the switch wires and double check the switches that I just rebuilt, and then maybe, possibly, perchance, could be spin the motor using the starter. That'd be fun. So that'd be fun. Those are fun things to try to accomplish today. Kevin's going to come down around 9 o'clock or so. He's got things tying him up at his shop until then. And that's where we are. Let's see what happens. And for some reason, Zoom's not working, so okay, there you go. Anyway, that's what's going on here this morning. Okay, well, it's still Monday, and it's about 1 o'clock, calling it a day. We have made serious progress, but not as much as I'd hoped. With the ignition on and lights on, we have high beam, low beam, even though you really can't tell the difference. It really is switching there. That's the joy of LEDs. We have turn signals, sorta. With the LED lights in there, I have to get an LED flasher. So those are just coming on, both of them at the same time, and tail light. That's just an idiosyncrasy of the LED flasher. I'll get one of those. Neutral light is working. The ignition light works when I hook it up back here where I have the wire hanging out in the wind. I get ready to spin the motor, and I can't seem to pull the starter solenoid, so I'll work on that tomorrow. It's warm, it's late, I'm tired, and we're calling it a day. So, progress is made.